this lesson introduces you to the rotational hex designs which can be found on Pennsylvanian red barns. Now we have already learnt about the Pennsylvanian red barns, and we're taking it a step further and we're going to learn about these hex designs. Rotational hex designs were first created by the Pennsylvanian Dutch farmers, and they created hex designs for good luck and hung them on the outside of their barns. The word hex, if you've ever heard of it, actually means bad luck or a curse. If somebody said, I'm going to place a hex on you, they meant they were putting a curse on you. So farmers hung hex designs to try and protect their farms from these curses. In art, the word hex means 6. So you can see here, I've made 6 circles by overlapping, and I've actually created symmetry as well, where every circle has exactly the same design inside, even though the colours are different. I've actually still created symmetrical designs. I've got yellow, then the pink, the yellow, the pink, the yellow and the pink, and I've created this balance, and I'm looking for you to do exactly the same. Now nobody really knows when it started, yet it has a meaning with the symbols, with the patterns and the colours. So colours have a meaning, and I'm going to be telling you about the different colours and what they mean to the farmers when they did these designs for their barns. Now what you're going to get is a sheet of white paper, and you're going to have a plate, and you're going to draw around that plate, so that becomes your hex design that you're going to work within. Now I will show you and demonstrate to you how to use a compass, so if you become confident you can use the compass, or I'm going to provide masking tape rolls. Now how I did this design initially, the one that I showed you with the colours, I drew a circle in the centre, and then to create my hex 6 pattern I did 6 circles. I overlapped them just round 5, 6. And you can see already I've got a design already coming together. Now you're going to receive on your table lots of different templates with different shapes that you can trace around, so that when you trace around them you're going to include, so if you did a shape here, you'd want to repeat it here, 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 or if you did it there, skip one there, skip one. So you've got, again, symmetry, that there's a balance, and that's again what we're looking for. If you don't want to use circles, you can actually take a sheet of paper, fold it in half. There's lots of different ways of doing this. Fold it in half, fold it in half again. If you open it, so far you've only got quarters. But if I take it and I fold it again into the point, so it looks like I'm making a paper airplane, like that, open it up, I've created an 8 design using a ruler and your plate. So first put your plate down so it's as central as possible to the center point, so that's your center point. Trace around and you've got something like that. Then using a ruler go over those folded lines, and here I've already started to trace a symmetrical pattern. You're going to receive coloured markers. I want you to consider the palette of colours that you're going to use, and then you're going to discuss it at the very end as to why you use those colours and what your hex design is going to do to protect your red barn that you made in the previous lesson. So there, boys and girls, is what we're going to do today, rotational hex designs. Now let's go and make some art.